Hey everyone, happy Sunday. Do you do your meal planning and prepping on Sunday? You know, we just got back from the store, so I just wanted to share some of the things that I have online for this week. Some people like to plan their meal, package it up so they have their breakfast ready, their lunch ready, their snacks ready, and their dinner ready, and they can just grab and run. And when I worked at the office all day, I did that, but now I just make up something that can last for 2 or 3 meals, and then I can decide each day what I want to have, but it's ready to go. All I need to do is reheat it. But it's more packaged in bulk instead of in individual servings. So whatever works for you, that's what you want to get into the habit of doing. But let me see if I can be organized here. Our Fit Family is doing a new nutrition program, and so we got a cookbook with it. So I want to try some of those recipes just for the fun of it. So one meal that will last 2 of us for 2 meals. So this will be for dinner. So it makes 4 servings. And so that'll give us 2 meals is a balsamic glazed chicken. So I got some chicken breasts here. You just cook them on the stovetop, 15 minutes or so. And then I'm gonna have that with some broccolini and red potatoes that are seasoned in different fresh herbs. All right, so that'll be 2 meals for us. Another one is some Mediterranean kebabs made with ground turkey. And then I'm gonna make just a really simple salad with tomatoes and peppers and cucumbers and an Italian dressing that goes over that, and maybe have some cauliflower rice on the side. So that will be 2 meals. The rest is just kind of, I don't want to say wing it, but I decide each time, each snack or meal, what I feel like having. And we'll do that with dinner too. We'll decide, when are we going to be home? What sounds good tonight? Because we'll have both of them made up, and then we can just choose from whichever we feel like having. And if we both want something different, it's ready to go. So he could have, the chicken and broccolini leftovers, and I could have the kebabs leftovers. So that's kind of the nice flexibility there. As far as breakfast goes, I kind of eat the same thing, but I definitely make these up ahead of time so I can have it go. So some bok choy that I just chop up and cook in a skillet with my eggs in the morning. I like to have steel cut oats made up in bulk, and then I can have that I usually have it for my mid-morning snack. But if I don't want to have that, I'm also going to make up some sweet potato hash. That is sweet potatoes and peppers, some onions, some sage, I think, and some turkey bacon. So I will have that made up. I'm also going to try some tempeh with different spices to have it made up into sausage patties, like sausage patties. So those would be an option that I could have for breakfast as well. So when I have these things made up, then I can just decide. Same with the acorn squash. I'll make this up tomorrow, and then if I want to have that, with my oatmeal and turkey bacon, then I have it ready to go. I always try to have 2 or 3 food groups together with each main meal and snack, because I feel like I have better energy. I just feel better when I do that, and then it ensures that I get all my food groups in without having to wait till the end of the day and say, oops, I didn't have nearly enough vegetables, so I have to have 4 of them right now. So if I space it out like that, it works better. Just some simple things, for snacks, I just got some deli ham that is nitrate free, and some avocado that I'll have with it, and maybe some carrot sticks. So, those are simple things that we will have 2 meals for. I always have a shake for lunch, so that covers lunch. And then, my snacks, they're ready to go. I'll prep them tomorrow, and then I'll have them ready so that I can just eat off of them all week. So, hope that gives you some ideas. Do what works best for you when it comes to prepping. I know when my kids were home and we had activities, it did not work for me to say, okay, I'm gonna have 5 different meals, and this is what we're gonna have Monday, Tuesday, through Friday. It didn't work. So I said, I'm gonna have 3 meals that I'm gonna shop for, and then we will decide what day we'll have them depending on when everybody was gonna be home, because it really used to bug me when I would make a meal and no one would show up. And so you have to kind of know maybe who's going to be there, kind of what you feel like. But if you have some ideas and you have the ingredients for it, then it's easy just to throw it together. I use the Instant Pot a lot for the chicken. This is going to be on the stovetop because of the balsamic glaze, and I'm not sure how that would go in the Instant Pot. But anyway, stay tuned. I will let you know how it goes. Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. Have a good Sunday. See you later.